So let's take a look at arithmetic progressions. So what is an arithmetic progression? A sequence of numbers in which each differs from the preceding one by a constant quantity. So here, if you look at our previous example where we had 1, 5, 9, 13, 17 and 21, we saw that the difference between each of those quantities was a 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. Similarly, in this second example, we can see that the constant quantity in this case is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 10 is 40. So we can write out this first example in another form. So we can write it out as the first term, which is 1, then comma. The second term, we can write it as the sum of the first term plus the constant difference. Then we can write the third quantity, which is 9, as the sum of the second term, which is 1 plus 4, plus the constant difference again. And we can do that continuously. So now, how can we express this in general? So in general, we can write a series or a progression in AP as A, comma, A plus D, comma, A plus 2D, comma, A plus 3D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. So let's take a look at this example. We have 1, 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. So we can see that our first term A is what? 1, and our common difference, which is defined as the difference between two consecutive numbers. In this case, it can be 4 minus 1 or 7 minus 4 or 10 minus 7. Just make sure that you subtract any two consecutive numbers. So I'm going to get the common difference as what? 3. So now let's try to evaluate the third term. So the third term is given as what? A plus 2D. That is the third term. So the third term in this case will be, what is my first term? 1. And what is my common difference? Common difference is 3. So I have 1 plus 6, which gives me 7. So as you can see, and the third term in this progression is 7. So now let's try to write a general formula in which you can use to find the nth term of an AP. So the nth term of an AP is given as A plus n minus 1 times D, where un is the nth term and n is the number of terms. We have defined A to be the first term or defined D to be the common difference. So an example, give me the arithmetic progression 9, 12, 15, 18, find the 99th term. So now we know that the nth term un is given by what? A plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So now we are told to find the 99th term, u of 99. So now we know that the first term A, we just go to the progression and look for what the first term is. You can see that it is what? 9. Now our common difference D is gotten by finding the difference between two consecutive numbers. So you can either say 12 minus 9, or you can say 18 minus 15. Just make sure you subtract two consecutive numbers and the answer will be constant and you get what? A 3. So my June 99 will be equals to what? And I know that the term I'm looking for n is what? 99. So my 99th term will be, my first term is 9 plus the nth term that I'm looking for is what? 99 minus 1 times my common difference, which is what? 3. So that will be equals to 9 plus 91 minus 1 is 98 times 3. And that will be equals to 9 plus 294, and that will be equals to 303. So if I continue writing this progression to the 99th term, the number I'm going to arrive at the 99th term is 303. Now let's look at another example. Here we are told that the 43rd term of an AP is 26. Now we are told to find the first term of the progression, given that its common difference is half. So now we are given that U43 is equals to what? 26. So we know that the nth term here is what? The 43rd term. Now we are told that the common difference is what? Is half. And we are told to find the first term of the progression. So we know that un is given by what? A plus n minus 1 times d. Now I'm told to find the first term, which is A, which is the unknown. So I know that the term I'm giving, so U43, the 43rd term will be equals to what? A plus I will have what 43 minus 1, and I know that my common difference now is given as what half. So I was told that u43 is what 26. So 26 will be equals to a plus 43 minus 1 is 42, then 42 multiplied by half, 2 here 1, 2 here 21. So I have 26 is equals to a plus 21, or I can write a plus 21 is equals to 26. So if I bring this over here, I have a is equals to 26 minus 21, and I have a is equals to 5. So the first term is what 5. Now let's look at the last example under arithmetic progression. So here we are told to find the number of terms in an AP given that its first and last terms are a and 37a. So we are told that the first term a is given by a and the last term is what 37a, and we are given that the common difference is what 4a rather. So now we know that the sum of an AP, or the nth term of an AP, is given by what a plus n minus 1 times d. So if we think about it, we are given the first term and the last term. Now imagine I write an expression. I have 1, let me say 3, 5, 7, 9. As you can see, I'm adding 2 to this number. The common difference here is 2, and I stop at 11. Now if I say what is the last term here, so now the last term here will be what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the last term here is what the sixth term. So the last term in this expression is the sixth term. So since I know that the last term is the sixth term, is the same way as saying there are 6 terms in this progression. And if I count the number of terms that are there, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 terms. So the nth term of the last term is equals to the number of terms that are in the progression. So now all I need to do is just to find the nth term of the last term over here. And by finding the nth term of the last term, I know directly the number of terms that are in the arithmetic progression. So I'm told that the last term, let me denote that as UL, is given as what 37a. So I can write that as what? So 37a is equals to, and I told that the first a is what? The first term is given as a, is equals to a plus, now I'm finding the nth term of the last term, n minus 1, and I'm told that the common difference is what 4a. So if I bring this over here, so we have 37 minus a is equals to n minus 1 times 4a. So this is what 37a minus 0 will give me 36a is equals to n minus 1 times 4a. If I divide both sides by 4a, a cancels a, 4a cancels 4z. So I'm left with n minus 1 is equals to 36 divided by 4 is 9. So I know that n will be equals to 9 plus 1, and 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So the last term here is the 10th term. So as we have discussed here, it also means that the number of terms in this AP, number of terms is equals to what? Is equals to 10. So that sums up all we need to know with regards to arithmetic progressions.